Hi there, it's Corey and Dave from the Bike Life.
Welcome back. We're at Whistler, British Columbia, and we're on Blackcomb Mountain. You can see summer operations, the gondola, running, ski jumps for training. In the back, I don't know if you can see, there's smoke from the wildfires in Washington, Oregon, and California. So a shout out to all of our friends down there, and please stay safe, and we're thinking about you.
Today we're going to show you how to take your DOST bike from here to here in just a few easy steps.
When you got your bike, it would have come out of the box just like this, all in one piece. But it's easy to break down into a much lighter, more manageable package, so you can transport it in the back of the trunk of your car if you need to.
Or maybe for storage under your house in the winter. All you'll need to break down your bike is a 5mm Allen wrench for your headset, a brake block, or a business card for your front brakes.
We're going to start by taking the battery out of the bike. Makes it a lot lighter, easier to manage. There's a video on the website that describes exactly how to do that. Next, we can easily reduce the overall height of the bike by reducing the seat post height, and we'll do the stem. You got a 5mm Allen wrench in your toolkit. We'll link to the video that describes exactly how to do this. Really easy. And there. It's going to be a lot shorter. Next, we'll take the wheel off. Next, we're going to remove the front wheel. Undo the quick release and undo the nut several times. You don't need to take it off, but make it nice and loose. Next, we'll come raise the kickstand. It's really best to do this on level ground. Now, avoid touching the front brake, and we'll tell you why in a minute. Easily lift the bike up, and that's a nice reason to have removed the battery. And there we are, bike resting on the forks on level ground. This gives us a great look at the front brake caliper. Here you can see the space between the brake pads where the brake rotor goes. Now, if we were to squeeze the front brake lever right now, those pads would compress together and they won't separate until we do a little procedure. We'll show you in another video. But in the meantime, for traveling, you can have a brake block, separate those brake pads, keep them from compressing, or in a pinch, that real estate business card that you found in your wallet will do. And here we are, folks, a nice tight package, small bike that's light and manageable, great for transport or for storage. Happy riding.
Happy riding.